Hey everyone, it's Daniel Oakley. Excuse me. So this is the tank for my Goliath bird eater. A quick look. I've changed the substrate. I didn't mean to get it wrong. It was the place I checked, and they said to use like a bark, which is what I've got down there. I've got like tubs and everything everywhere to transfer, you know. I have got lots of nice containers from the pet shop, which different spiders came in. And here, open it up. So there's my Goliath. Once again, for hand reference. There we go. Although you don't know how big my hand is, but yeah. Come on. Easy. Come on, there we go. Come on. I'm not trying to hurt her. That's it. That's it. Come on. Your last leg. Good girl. So there you go. That's a quick thing. So now you can all see. I do my best with these, with my with all of my critters, as you call them. See, I've done that's like a hideaway in there. If she gets in, there's a massive pile of, inches wise. Yeah, it's like pretty much the whole tank, but she can do burrow in there. There's a gap down there which she can go in as well. So, this will do. We'll get like a mixture up as well. But for now, just overnight, I managed to get hold of some, but only some, just the basic stuff. So it's all good. She's beautiful. Anyways, I better leave her alone because I really don't want her to get stressed out. Let's just have a nice The reason I moved it down is because obviously it means you can't fall down there anyway. Yeah, but obviously I would hate for something bad to happen to her. Because she is, he or she, as far as I know it's a he, but when they have the molt, I'll put a video up of the abdomen, yeah, the underneath of it. I think it is a male because the legs look quite long. It's very bold, the abdomen. So yeah, and hello Gixie. Hello Goliath. This is the best lizard ever. My mum actually bought me him when I was, well, I've had him for about 9 years. Lovely. Old Gixie. Back in the days of Gex 3D Enter the Gecko for PS1. Someone said about a smell, and there isn't a smell, to be honest. Actually, not solid, for what it's worth. Just take this off completely. God, my room gets so hot. What do you guys reckon? There isn't a smell or anything. There's also no movement. Although as you can see him, I left my arms in the way. Yeah, he's just still there, as he has been for the last couple of days. But I'll leave him till Monday. If by Monday he hasn't moved, that means he hasn't been active for a week. Which I can't help. And for those of you who want to know about the time, yeah, captivity, they don't live very long. I tried everything I could. I mean, he was going well for a while. I had him for 3 weeks, and after 3, well, he sort of went like this 3 weeks to the day that I had him. So I have to wait and see with him. Curious Gexer in the lens. So yeah. So we're gonna go. Thank you for watching. I hope this is amended for the mistake of the cork, the bark shredding. You know. I mean, I have done. You know, I've done research and stuff on him, on this species, Goliath bird eater. But if you do have any other information, or advice on keeping them, or you know, everything will be taken, you know, and put into action, you know, type thing. And I appreciate, you know, you taking the time to comment on my videos and subscribing. Please check out, I always say, you know, a couple of people I always give shout out to is Hicken, Tarantula Addict, and then another guy who I've been watching his videos lately is John 3800. Yeah, if you're into spiders and that, then definitely go and check out their videos. So yeah, cheers for watching guys, and hope to hear from you soon.